Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel for the love of time. Right now I have a special package here. I've been waiting for this watch. I initially ordered this watch back in September 27th, 2018, if I'm correct. And right now we're in January 2019, the 20th. I just received it this week. I've been holding off on opening up the package until I had an opportunity to open it up, which is today. So I'm gonna film it, and yeah. So here goes the unboxing. Okay. Using my trusty Victorinox knife. Okay. What do we have here? All right, so this package came all the way from Portugal. That drops a hint to anybody. Let's see. So it's packaged up nicely. All right. Get my knife out again. I'll leave it open just in case I need it. All right, so. Bubble wrap out of the way, and what do we have here? I've got my very first Borealis. There it is. Lovely packaging. Nice leather box. Very nice. All right, so all right, we got the card, and let's move the card out of the way, and there we go. My Borealis Seastorm version 2. Alright, very cool. Got the warranty card filled out with my info. Thank you, Borealis. Put that guy in there. On gel, we don't need these guys. Wow. Isn't that a beauty? Wow. Try to get out. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Oh man, I feel like a kid in a candy store right about now. All right. So yeah, like I said, this is the Borealis Seastorm version 2. It's the black dial with the date complication. I was in love with the old radium loom. So this is what I got, the old radium loom version right here. Beautiful watch, man. Very cool. All right, this guy, let's just take this little plastic off. Very nice. Look at that. Look at that beautiful dial. Very nice. Double dome sapphire crystal. Yeah. Has sapphire crystal on the bezel right here. Okay. Super Luminova old radium loom. So it's supposed to be very, very bright. Wow, very nice. See. very attractive bracelet. Wow. Totally in love with this watch. This thing is good. This thing is bad. Very nice. So housed within the watch is the NH35 Seiko Instruments movement. Exactly the same, with the exception of the wording on the rotor on the inside, which, you know, I'm not going to open up the watch, but, you know, on the inside it says NH35 Seiko Instruments, but it's exactly the same as the 4R35 Seiko movement. Very nice. So 24 jewel movement. Wow, this thing is bad. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me see if I can get some measurements before I take off this tape off the watch. Alright, so like I mentioned before, I'm going to get some measurements on the watch, but you know, let me go back into the movement. I mentioned there was a 24 jewel movement. It is, well, let's see. It is hand winding and hacking, okay? Well, that was a very nice pop. Let's screw that bad boy back in and let's see. Very nice. It doesn't have any crown guards, okay? Okay, as I said before, it's meant to look, well, it's a homage to the Blancpain 50 Fathoms. So, in true fashion, Blancpain did not have the crown guards. So, yeah, it looks just, man. It's pretty much a budget Blancpain. Very nice. Wow, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful homage. You have drilled lugs, which helps with making sharp changing a breeze. That polishing work that they did is gorgeous. Look at that beautiful that satin finish right there. Very nice. Polishing of the edging right there. Signed buckle with Borealis B, polished. Everywhere else is satin with the gripping here. A polished B, very nice. Wow. All right, so let's get some measurements. I'm in awe with this watch. Let's get some of the measurements for the watch. Okay. All right, 41.5 millimeters. Let's see, from that's from side to side, from lug tip to lug tip. 47 point. Let's fix that up a little better. 48 millimeters. Okay, almost 48.5, so we'll just stay at 48 millimeters. Case thickness. Yep, 14 millimeters. And lug width. Can't really get a good one in there, but do like that from the grooves. See, round up to 20 millimeters. Okay, so 20 millimeter lugs. The bracelet on the top over here is 20, tapering down to, I would say, about 18. So from 20 to 18. Yeah, it definitely is a beauty. Wow, it's a beautiful watch. Winding action is very nice. I have quite a few Seiko watches, so the way the movement winds is in par with the other Seikos I have. Although this is Borealis, but the workhorse within it is a Seiko movement. Wow, what a beauty! Oh man, I'm in love. I am in love with this watch. Thank you, Borealis. I am extremely pleased with the product you sent me. Thank you so much. I'm one happy customer, to be honest. What a beauty. So yeah, let's do the unwrapping over here. Get the plastic off the watch, or try to. Oh, this way. Okay. Back it up there. That bracelet looks gorgeous. And the seems like they're push pins. Huh. No, I believe no, they're screw links. I'm gonna confirm in a moment, because usually when they have arrows pointing out, that means they're push pins. But the way it's looking to me is that they are, it looks like they could be screws. I believe they're screws. And let's take a look, if we can, over here. Solid end links. And let's see here. Take off gently. Place it there. There we go. Now we have the mermaid. Borealis' mermaid. We got, and inscribed in the back, on the case back, is Borealis Watch Company. The model name of the watch, which is the Seastorm 2, Virgin 2. And whoops. Automatic NH35 movement. Water resistancy of 300 meters, equaling 1,000 feet. I will never go that deep. Not even close. But it's reassuring to know that the watch can handle it. You know, as long as you have, very important, guys, you go anywhere near any water and you have a watch that's water resistant with a screw down crown, make sure this crown is always screwed in tightly. Okay, tightly. If not, you run the risk of getting water into your movement, and that is very pricey. Not only for the movement, the movement will rust up, but you're also going to be damaging your dial. You're going to be damaging the loom, your loom. Everything will be damaged, and it does not look pretty. Yeah, wow, what a beauty. All right, quick, I'm gonna just do a wristwatch photo bomb check. Wearing my Invicta Pro Diver, all right, with the blue dial. Do a review of this watch at some other time. Scored a nice deal with Amazon. Not only did I buy this one, but two other versions. I bought the black with gold two-tone and the stainless steel with the black dial. Yeah, they're fun watches, man. They're really very accurate, same exact movement. Okay, NH35. All right, but for a fraction of what I paid for this Borealis. And it's a fun watch. I mean, it's a homage, it's a homage, but it's fun and it does its job, and it's just fun. I love the way it looks. Yeah. So back to this watch here. All right, I'm gonna put it on my wrist and see how it fits. Okay. All right. There we go. Nice milled clasp. Look at that. Look how. Very nice. Well made. Very well made. stainless steel construction, as you can see here. Now that is a beauty. Look at that. Beautiful satin finish. Very well done. Very well done. That is a beautiful watch. Handsome, elegant watch. Okay, it's not only beautiful, it's handsome and elegant. It's wow, it's so beautiful. I can't get over it. I mean, this can be obviously it's a sports watch. You could you know, dress it down or dress it up. You know, I think you get away with a suit on with this watch. Definitely can. Definitely can. Very nice. Yeah, I gotta size this guy up later on. I can't wait to wear it. Let's check out the bezel action. Very nice. 120 click. And yeah, I think I evened it out. Yeah. Very cool. Well, guys, this is the my review of my review and my unboxing of my very first Borealis Seastorm, or Borealis watch for that matter. But this is the Seastorm version 2. In September they had the pre-order, and you know, I was debating whether or not to get it, and then you know, all the other, you know, this was the dial, this was the look that I was looking for, I was in love with, and everything, all the other ones were being snatched up very quickly. You know, they were sold out, and I said, you know what, pull the trigger, and I pulled the trigger, and I am so happy I did. What a beautiful watch. And check out the coin finishing on the bezel. Gives a really superb grip. I gotta work on my lighting, but do you see the blue? The blue AR coating on the double dome sapphire crystal. Very nice. Very, very cool. And see if I could get a lume shot in. Get a lume shot. Get some lighting first. Use my trusty flashlight. That should be enough. And kill the studio lights if I can. Wow, that is very cool. That beautiful lume, Super Luminova old radium lume. That is pretty. Well, guys, I'm back really quickly. I've removed some of the links. I needed to remove actually 5 links from my wrist, and just really quickly, I wasn't certain if it was a screwed in links or push links, because the these little arrows kind of usually the arrows are there to show which direction you're going to push the links out, but to my surprise, my pleasant surprise actually, they are actual screwed links, screwed down. Not difficult at all actually. A lot of the high-end watches bracelets are screwed in versus push pin, so that goes to show the attention to detail Borealis puts into their watches, man. Screwed down links, man. That is superb. That bracelet is beautiful. And I failed to mention earlier that there are minor adjustment, see, pin holes for the minor adjustment to get the exact fitting that you would need on your bracelet. But yeah, man, I'm in love with this watch. Absolutely in love with this watch. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I mean, wow. I'll tell you, waiting since it's right now, it is currently January 20th, and I've been waiting since I ordered this thing on September 27th of 2018, and it's January 20th 19, and finally to have this beautiful watch on my wrist. Oh my goodness, I'm head over heels. I'm ecstatic. I'm excited. I'm excited to wear it, to play with it. You know, it's watches are a man's plaything. You know, it's like your car. You know, as they say, you know, you can't bring your car to the party, but you can bring your watch. All right, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. Well, thanks again, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. You know, my review of the Borealis Seastorm version 2. Thank you once again for visiting my channel. Please click thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe. I have more content on the way, and you know, thank you again. Hope you enjoyed, and take care now. Bye.